In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Procreate on your iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to purchase Procreate officially on your iPad and how to use it to make drawings and anything that you want to design. So to use Procreate on your iPad, first acquire it from the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPad, look for Procreate, and you will be able to download the app. You need to purchase it for around $10. So once you acquire Procreate from the App Store, you will be able to open it up and familiarize yourself with the interface. I recommend that you explore the different tools and menus. They are going to give you a rundown of everything. The main interface will have the canvas, tools palette, color palette, and layers panel. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner and you will be able to create a new canvas. In there, you will be able to choose a size and resolution for your project alongside other aspects that you can customize. Now, if you only want to start drawing right away, choose a brush, so tap the brush icon on the tools palette and you will be able to choose from a variety of brushes for different effects. So whatever it is that you are trying to create, you will most likely have an option to get the desired effect. Now, use your finger or a stylus such as the Apple Pencil and you will be able to draw on the blank canvas. You can experiment with different brush strokes and pressure sensitivity. Everything is very customizable for you to acquire any desired effect. You can use layers, so tap the layers icon in the layers panel to create new layers, and this will allow you to organize and edit different elements of your drawing separately. You can use these freely and you can group them together on folders to make it easier to manage. You can adjust color and settings, add text, and when you are done, you can export your artwork. Tap the share icon in the top right and you will be able to choose a format such as PNG, JPEG, or PSD and save it to your iPad or share it with others. For this video, I'm not going to go too much into detail. I just wanted to show you how you can officially acquire the application and start creating. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Procreate on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.